Hello and welcome to Guide My Work, the easiest manufacturing execution system experience you'll ever have. Now that you've made the decision to sign up for Guide My Work, your first step will obviously be signing up. On the main page of guidemywork.com, select the Sign Up Now button. This will prompt you to complete some basic information, including your name, company, and login information. You may also enter in a referral code if that's been given to you. Read through the terms and conditions and check the box next to that line. Then select Sign Up, and you're ready to go. After signing up, you'll receive a welcome email with some helpful links in it. You'll have to go back to the main page and sign in with the information you provided. At this point, your main page will be blank. Through the next series of videos, we'll walk you through the setup stages in order to get Guide My Work up and running. Once you utilize Guide My Work, your main page and dashboard will start to show more information. Be sure to check out our next video that will walk you through the organization setup.